the hell's going on? My phone is blowing up.
Your dad fired you. Again.
Why is this happening to me?
You take things too serious, Dan.
According to some, I don't take things serious enough.
Well, you're in Florida now. You're in paradise. This ain't a bad place to start a second life.
Hey, so that's the second time someone's called you Chief. Is that a St. Pete thing?
Oh, it's my rank in the Navy. Chief. I served in Afghanistan with the rifle company. My job was to save lives. So what's next?
Whew.
I received your paperwork. Everything seems to be in order. I just need the keys. I'm assuming you locked the doors. Well, at least you both got that right. Thank you, Mr. Penrose.
Please, call me Chief.
Yes. Well, so long, Chief.
Where I could find a shovel.
What?
I want to crawl in a hole. I'd feel better if I dug it first.
Let's grab a drink.
Nervous?
Nah. Should have done the food truck in the first place. Thank you.
That was always a dream, right?
May not be a big dream, but it's my dream. Beautiful day. Did you send that demo to the promoter?
I will send it today.
Shevonne, you gotta put yourself out there. Don't waste time. Because time is what life is made up of.
It's your big day, Bruce Lee, not mine. I love you, Jay. Knock him dead.
Thank you.
Oh, you guys must really like each other.
Hello, Josh.
I brought a sandwich. Think we'll need a sandwich?
We won't need a sandwich.
You sure we don't need a sandwich?
No sandwich necessary. We got financials, remember?
No. I mean, stop! Stop running! Simon! Cut! No, lads, what are you doing?
What's up, darling? Come and speak to me.
It's a bank robbery. Look, it doesn't.
Can somebody get those bloody extras off our set, please? They're not hitting their marks.
We just need. I need something.
Take that.
Just bigger. It's too small. Yuck. My fault. Our appointment is next week. Something about a movie shoot this week. Maybe that's a good thing. Gives us more time to prepare.
Yeah, it is a good thing, Josh. I'm still in debt from our last venture.
Also my fault.
Yeah, it's not your fault. We're in this together. And we called it Chiefs. Remember?
I still think we should have called it Moonbase Tango.
Wow. This really is an amazing sandwich.
Hey, Shevonne. No, we've given up on the loan idea. Plus, we got shot at.
What? We didn't get shot at?
Jared, he's right here. She wants to speak with you.
Hey, babe. No, we did not get shot at.
Tomato, potato.
Hey, Chief.
Hey, Lexi. Is the boss around?
Iris is in the back with a hangover.
I do not have a hangover. I have a light sensitivity issue. I think aspirin is a wonderful substitute for sugar. I know you had your heart set on that food truck.
That's not a big deal.
Beating Chuck Norris at Ultimate Frisbee, not a big deal. This is a big deal.
I thought this would work.
Let's consult the sages. Virgo. Ah, wonderful things lay on the horizon. And you know the stars don't lie.
Gotta jump. Don't want to be late for work.
I'll give you a ride. Wasn't a question. You ready? I really did beat him, you know.
Who?
Chuck Norris. He's a lousy frisbee player.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm like a giant asteroid hitting the Earth, mass extinction upset about not getting this loan.
Josh, you guys will figure it out.
It'll take more than a year to save enough money.
The days will fly by. You'll see.
It's me who has to fly. I gotta spread these wings, Shevonne.
And you will.
Which reminds me, I gotta find a mop. Some kid yacked in front of the Stingrays again.
Need a hand, Chief?
Sully. Back again.
Hey, when am I ever gonna pass up a chance for a conference in St. Pete?
True. True. When'd you get in?
Flew in this morning. Boy, are my arms tired. You know.
Good to see you.
See you too, man.
What are you drinking?
Work's been pretty crazy, so it's good to get down here for some sunshine.
So how's Dan?
Dan's good. He's still pretty cut up about his dad, but Amy's been there for him. And taking the reins of Bennekinney is probably the best thing that could have happened to him.
Good.
Oh, he wanted me to give you this. Said it could help you lighten up.
Am I really that serious?
It's working already, huh? You look like a princess. A food truck.
Yeah. Maybe it's my Navy blood. Always wanted to be on the move.
Sounds like fun.
Made sense financially, too.
Really? Yeah.
Phone. Shevonne. Hey, babe. Yeah, I'm getting off work. I'm here with Sully. Hold on. Shevonne wants to know if you'd like to join us for dinner tonight.
Of course.
He's in. See you later.
Really? How did I end up with these? So where are we going again?
I keep telling you, it's a surprise.
She knows I hate surprises. A food truck?
I thought it would inspire you. Too soon?
You know, the first date I ever took my wife on was to a food truck off of 49th Street.
Well, if it was as good as this, I'd marry you.
Sully, meet Josh. Josh meets Sully.
Haha, Josh.
I ordered for everybody. 3 Hawaiians, extra pineapple.
I love pineapple.
Great.
You want pepperoni? Yeah, let's get pepperoni. Do we have 2 pepperoni pizzas, please? Thank you. Did you send off that demo?
Yes, I did. Post offices are so confusing.
Well, next time I'll go for you. You know I love a challenge. Right?
Hey, Dad.
Naomi?
Surprise!